You want to create bar chart like this, or this? Let me show you a very simple way to do it in Excel. First, we have a data set. This data set shows a monthly breakdown of customer sentiment with two key metrics, satisfied and dissatisfied. First, I create a bar chart for the satisfied metric, then create a separate one for dissatisfied. Now we want both charts to have the same axis setting. To do this, I'm going to manually adjust the axis setting for the dissatisfied chart to make sure it has the same axis setting as the satisfied chart. Now I'm just going to quickly format the chart to make sure that the satisfied legend is on top and the dissatisfied legend is at the bottom. The key step here is to reverse the order of the dissatisfied chart. Then delete the horizontal axis for one of the chart. I want to make it look like one single chart instead of two, so I'm going to group them together and remove the chart outline. The final step is to add some colors to make the chart more visually appealing. And it's all done. Hopefully in the future, Microsoft will add more built-in function to help us build this kind of chart faster. In the meantime, if you find these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.